Si Prawn Star, yung Cajun shrimp nila.
If you can recommend just one restaurant, what is it and what should we order?
Sa akin, si Prawn Star, yung Cajun shrimp nila.
Hey friends, so this is the first entry for our Foodie Recommend series. Let's go try Joe's recommendation, Prawn Star. Nung nakita kong may lemon pepper wings, napa-order talaga ako. And in fairness friends, winner to. Crispy coating, tender juicy inside, and generous sa lemon pepper flavor which I like. Not sure lang if others might find it too strong. Now ito na, they're Cajun prawns. Shrimp sana o-orderin ko pero si Lovie mukhang nakakaluwag-luwag yata ngayon. Prawn na lang daw ang orderin ko. Quality of the prawn itself is great. Ang lalaki, fresh, and perfectly cooked. Now, the Cajun sauce na enjoy ni Lovie, flavor is complex and has depth. Personally lang, gusto ko yung mga Cajun na may sweetness. So, I guess it's all about your preference. Now, our experience wasn't all smooth. In fact, first serving nitong prawn, undercooked siya. But they quickly